Hello everyone, this is Neeraj. Welcome to my channel Master Tech. So in this video we'll be doing the unboxing of a big box. So as you can see, the box is very big and this is the Crocs which I have brought from the Flipkart. So let us see how they are and is it worth of buying it or not. And I'll be discussing about the price of this product as well at the end of this video. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon so that you will not be missed with any of the video which I'll be uploading later. So without making any delay, let's get this video started. So guys, now let us do the unboxing of this big box. Oh, this is not fitting in my camera as well. So let us do this. Okay. Let us tear this off without damaging the product which is present inside the box. Okay, I got it. Very good knife it is. It helps me in doing the unboxing of the products. Come on. Okay. As I said, these are Crocs which I have brought from the Flipkart. So okay, let us remove this, and other than this I have got a paper. Now this is the bill which I have got. So let us put this inside and let us throw this off. Yes. So these are the Crocs which I have brought. Okay, fatafat, let us remove them out of the cover. So this is the cover which I am going to throw this away again. Looks nice, right? Come on guys. So these are the papers which I have attached from the Crocs. So other than that, this is the hanger. I don't need this. Let us remove this. Okay. So the size which I have brought is 7 number, UK or India 7. So let me wear and check whether it fits to my size or not. So let us wear it and see whether it fits to my size or not. So okay, not bad. So alright, I am happy with this product as well. Okay. So that's all for today guys. Again, see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.